weigh that much to handle. Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
Thank you very much. Siyempre, matulong sa ito ang kabilang ng SPTA. And this certificate is awarded to Jenny Lacana.
Ito yung nakalagay na din. Ito yung basurahan. Ang basurahan, te.
This certificate of recognition is awarded to Jane P. Pulian.
Ito, hindi makita ang beauty. Beauty niya.
Followed by this certificate is awarded to
ay naman dyan. Teacher. Wow.
This certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Juliet A. Herrera.
Ito din pala ate.
And this certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Jennifer Escobarda.
Ito ay parang rolls din to eh, no?
This certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Rosalia Rodriguez. Recognition is awarded to Ma'am Sherry Coroja. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Nicolay Concepcion. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Jovian Coroza.
Bigyan niyo na si Ma'am.
And of course, itong aming last certificate of recognition, allow me to read the citation.
Mamaya magwawat mag
Recognition of her outstanding service and dedication as advisor. Thank you very much sa ating advisor, Lisel Bormelios. And syempre, may request yung lahat ng mga SPTA officers natin sa police controller para sa ating photo-op. Together with Carol, Dr. Charlie Lacana, and Mr. Judge Tolawan. And syempre, ating SPTA officers. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Okay. Alright, alam ko, excited na kayo makita. Excited na kayo po sumigaw sa ating mga gandang natin candidates. Pero bago lahat, bibigyan ko muna kayo for a while. And syempre, we are fortunate this evening because despite syempre na napakaraming activities, napakaraming events ngayon. Thank you very much. Diyan tayo siyempre sa ating mga graduates. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, kasama po natin ngayon, ngayong gabi, ang mga judges na meron may pinakamahirap na trabaho. Ay mas lalong makilala ang sarili, matutunan ng mahalin na talagaan ang sarili, hindi lamang para sa sarili ko, natuklasan ko na kaya ko pala ang lahat. Yung mga problema na dati ay nakakatakot, ngayon ay nakakala ko dahil ay maging
management have been my greatest strength and I carry support with me always. To Gilbert Rueda, thank you for helping me with everything and for your never-ending support. Always take good care of yourself. I promise I will wait for you. I hope the next 2 years that we are apart fly by quickly. See you soon. Take care. I love you. As I move forward into the next chapter of my life and I say my goodbyes, I am not just leaving my title behind. I am leaving with the lesson that have shaped me. Memories will stay with me forever and a heart full of pride in everything we've accomplished.
representing grade 5, ladies, congratulations, ating mga leaders ng Special Award. And at this point, mag-award na tayo ng certificate sa ating mga judges, sa ating mga judges. And
Thank you.